guys, what's up? So we're gonna be doing a video. This time I don't think it's as blurry, so I'm gonna try to catch a firework. It's probably pretty dark because I'm doing this like at 9 or 10. I think it's 9 or something like that. 8 or 9, I don't know what. So first things first, we're gonna try to catch a firework on camera. Ugh, okay. Come on. You should be able to see the lights, Christmas lights. Come on. There's the full moon. Looks like a Swiss cheese from the camera. What? Oh, I found, yep, caught it on camera. Oh, yeah. Look at the beauty. Okay. Whoa. To keep it going. Never stops. So cool. I'm looking above my thing. If you don't know what my iPad looks like. Man, just stopped. I'm gonna try to catch at least 2 or 3 fireworks. Actually, at least 1. The best I could do is like 15. Or the best I could probably do is 3 or something. It's probably the best I could do like in 5 or 6 minutes. 10 people. Yeah, I know.
Hi, Happy New Year.
Oh yeah. I didn't say Happy New Year to all of you. Happy New Year. Come on. Come on, fireworks.
Yes.
I'm cutting it here. Bye. Grandpa, say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Sorry if it's a little bit blurry. Okay, I'm going to end the video in 3, 2, 1. Bye.